In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get Mink V2 meme C. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to evolve to V2 or version 2 for Mink. You will be able to do this for any other race as well, including Mink. So all that you have to do is get an awakening orb. This is the item that allows you to go into V2. To get this orb that you need to use and choose the option to awaken, you will find the starting quest on the Snow Island. So go to the Snow Island, and if you turn to the left, you will find the Dancing Banana NPC. By interacting with this NPC, it is going to give you a quest. This quest rewards you with the awakening orb. The quest is to basically kill 100 sagas. So you will find a lot of sagas nearby. They are very easy to kill, and you just have to keep killing them repeatedly. The level requirement for this quest is going to be level 1000, which is the same level as the sagas, and you will need to kill 100. It is going to reward you with 10,000 currency, and most importantly, the awakening orb. So all that you have to do is complete this quest to get the awakening orb. By using this orb, you will be able to get Mink V2. So when you complete the quest, talk again to the Dancing Banana. He will reward you with the Awakening Orb, and all that you have to do now is go into your inventory and use it. By using this, when you click on the screen, you will choose the option to awaken, and you will become the awakened version of your race, including Mink. You can obtain it, like I said, through the side quest from the Dancing Banana, or by trading. As long as you defeat the sagas, which are easy to kill, you can get the Awakening Orb, and you can repeat it as many times as you wish. It is going to work for any race. So human, rabbit, bird, and fish. I hope I was able to help you on how to get Mink V2 in Meme C. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.